What's happening in Jeffersontown right now? Let's break down the March 2026 real estate market in under 2 minutes. There were 126 homes on the market with an average price around $451,000. And they're taking about 59 days to sell. We saw 51 homes sold, averaging about $420,000, with homes selling in roughly 51 days. There were 32 pending sales, averaging about $380,000, going under contract in just 34 days. There were 20 homes canceled, priced around $464,000, and they sat on the market for about 73 days. We had 7 homes expire, averaging about $493,000 after sitting for roughly 94 days. So here's the big picture. Jeffersontown is a balanced market than we've seen in recent years. Homes are still selling, buyers have more options, but pricing is more important than ever. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Louisville real estate market updates.